Theory about Portland, and I've heard in someone else's video that they think that Portland holds secrets, and it seems like the rocks are covering up entrances. I think this was once an entrance to like a mine or a cave or something. Very strange. Wow. I just can't. Like, the views have been amazing as well. Oh look! It's a kestrel! It's a flipping kestrel! Ow, my foot. I just stumped my foot. It's a kestrel! I'm sorry, I've never seen a kestrel. I got a kestrel feather, but I've never seen a kestrel. I swear that's a kestrel. That is definitely a bird of prey. If you can tell me, if you know what bird of prey that is, please let me know. How beautiful and spectacular. Oh, I hope you look. Oh no, you can't really. Oh. Wow. What's this? I've just found this. Oh, for goodness sake, people and their rubbish. Flip's sake. Look. You could probably climb down there. Oh my gosh. Does that mean that the cave is nearby? Yeah, they blocked it off. The cave's got to be nearby, hasn't it? I'll just go swimming in this water. I can't see no cave. Oh, I want to be so stupid now. Oh, I don't know. I can't see. I don't know. Up the other way. But don't you find that a bit strange, thinking about it? Like, don't you find that strange? It literally is like someone's been covered up. Portland, what are you hiding? Oh, did you see him? Little lizard. Lizardy thing. Gosh. Look what I've just found. I don't know if you can see in there. Full of a cobweb. Basically a big hole. I don't know.